Evolve to cleaner technologies. Evolve to a smooth and refined experience. Evolve to quicker pickups. Evolve to uncompromised safety. Evolve to getting more out of very little. Evolve to the future today. Evolve to electric.
Tata Motors' EV journey began in September 17 by winning the prestigious EESL tender for supplying EVs for government usage. Tata Motors then made an entry into the personal segment with the launch of the Nexon EV in Jan 2020. Since then, we have more than 8,500 EVs plying on the Indian roads, of which more than 6,000 EVs are Nexon EVs. Nexon EV customers have now collectively driven more than 35 million kilometers. This has helped by contributing to save carbon dioxide emissions of more than 35 kilotons, which is equivalent to planting 500,000 trees. The journey so far has helped us to understand not only the needs of the Indian EV customer, but also dispel myths associated with usage of EVs. These myths and concerns around EVs are with respect to power, ability to use during rains and monsoons, reliability, suitability for long-distance usage, and frequency of charging. Our high-voltage EV architecture, Ziptron, has helped us successfully address these myths and overcome the hesitation of Indian EV customers. The proof of Ziptron's success is in front of everyone. The numbers of Nexon EVs plying on Indian roads is a testament to Ziptron addressing these concerns successfully. Let's have a look at the pillars of Ziptron. There are 5 key pillars of Ziptron: performance, technology, reliability, charging, and comfort. Let's have a closer look at each one of them. The first pillar is performance. Ziptron comes with high-performance, energy-efficient motor which offers flat torque from the get-go, leading to a zippy driving experience. This also results in a brisk launch, providing quick 0 to 60 sprint times for practical city driving. Ziptron's performance tackles every road condition with no compromise. The next pillar is technology. Ziptron comes with a high energy density lithium-ion battery pack, delivering maximum range. Its permanent magnet synchronous AC motor delivers instant torque, balancing performance, and efficiency. It comes with an efficient liquid-cooled power electronics for extracting maximum onboard power. Next pillar is reliability. Ziptron has been driven and proven over 35 million kilometers of real-world conditions across diverse and challenging Indian terrains. The IP67 rated battery pack and motor of Ziptron EV architecture makes it weatherproof and gives it a worry-proof performance. Also, under Ziptron technology, the battery pack and motor get a 8-year warranty for complete peace of mind. Next pillar is charging. Ziptron is compatible with globally acceptable CCS2 charging standard, which offers both fast charging and regular charging from any standard 15 ampere plug point. It is possible to fast charge a Ziptron powered car in under 60 minutes from any DC fast charger. Next pillar is comfort. It provides a silent and noiseless cabin for complete comfort of passengers and offers a very refined drive experience. We have realized that there's a need of providing a choice of EV options to customers who want to switch to electric, and hence, we are happy to extend the high voltage Ziptron EV architecture to our second offering in the personal EV segment, the Tigor EV. With the Tigor EV, we are mainstreaming the EV technology by making it accessible to all. Let's look at the product attributes of the Tigor EV. In terms of performance, it gives a peak power output of 55 kilowatt and a peak torque of 170 Newton meter. Tigor EV does a 0 to 60 kilometers an hour in 5.7 seconds for a zippy and exciting drive. It can negotiate the steepest of gradients without any compromise. In terms of technology, Tigor EV comes with a 26 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack, which is efficiently packaged, providing the highest onboard energy in the segment. The battery management system strategies of Tigor EV are tailor-made, basis real-world testing in India. It also offers 30-plus connected car features, including remote commands and remote diagnostics, so you can be in touch with your EV through your phone. In terms of efficient energy management, the Tigor EV deploys unique software strategies perfected over millions of kilometers to extract the maximum energy from battery pack. It is equipped with industry-leading low rolling resistance tires with 10% lower rolling losses. Tigor EV deploys efficient regeneration strategies that have been fine-tuned basis real-world testing in Indian traffic conditions. In terms of reliability, the Tigor EV has got an IP67 rated battery pack and motor to make it weather and worry-proof, and comes with an 8-year, 160,000 kilometer battery and motor warranty. In terms of safety, Tigor EV is based on a proven platform with rear crash compatible structure and also complies with ODB 64 test standard. The impact resistant battery pack casing of the Tigor EV complies with AIS 048 standard for nail penetration at cell level. In terms of charging, Tigor EV is compatible with globally acceptable CCS2 charging protocol and can be fast charged as well as slow charged from any 15 ampere plug point. When opting for fast charging, it will only take about an hour to charge from 0 to 80% capacity. For home charging, it takes approximately 8.5 hours, again to charge from 0 to 80% capacity. In terms of comfort, Tigor EV has got a silent cabin, spacious interiors, with ample headroom and legroom for comfortable seating. It offers a superior driving dynamics and handling aided by lower center of gravity and balanced suspension setup, offering a very comfortable ride.
Tata Motors will lead this evolution to mainstream EVs in India and is consolidating EV products under one inspiring message: evolve to electric. Let's have a deeper look at our second product on the Ziptron platform, the Tigor EV. Tigor EV is based on three key product pillars: technology, comfort, and safety. Tigor EV comes packed with technology across its powertrain, infotainment, connectivity, and charging. It comes with a high voltage Ziptron EV architecture, which offers high energy density lithium-ion battery pack and a very efficient motor, resulting in optimizing the range and performance. It is compatible to the globally acceptable CCS2 fast charging standard and also offers regular charging from any 15 amp plug point. Needless to say, every Tigor EV will come with a free 15 amp home charger installed by Tata Motors. The Tigor EV comes with smart regeneration capability, which further enhances the range of the vehicle. Automatic transmission with sports mode is standard across all variants, providing the customer with a choice of an efficient or a spirited drive as the situation or the mood demands. A 7-inch Harman touchscreen infotainment with 4 speakers and 4 tweeters provides best-in-segment connectivity and infotainment. The connected car suite IRA is also offered with 30+ features, including remote commands, intrusion alert, remote cooling, charging status, time to full charge, and remote diagnostics. Talking about the second pillar, the Tigor EV has prioritized and providing a comfortable, smooth, and relaxing drive. The silent in-cabin experience, spacious interiors, and a suspension setup optimized for an extremely smooth and relaxing drive. The upmarket, fully automatic temperature control is standard across all variants of the Tigor. It comes with electrically adjustable and foldable ORVMs. Height adjustable driver seat providing optimum driving position for multiple drivers. It is equipped with smart key with a push button start. A portable charging cable is standard on every Tigor EV. The Tigor EV's boot space of 316 liters is expandable up to 375 liters based on an option of removing the spare wheel. We are also giving customers a tire puncture kit, which would help in case of a flat tire. Safety is a key pillar across all Tata Motor vehicles. and the Tigor EV provides class-leading safety from crash as well as usability point of view. Standard safety features of the Tigor EV include an IP67 weatherproof battery pack and motor, dual airbags, ABS with EBD and corner stability control, hill ascent assist and hill descent assist. A week ago, we saw the performance capabilities of the Tigor EV in a thrilling hill climb. Let's have a quick look at it again as we unveil the Tigor EV.
The all-new Tigor EV, powered by Ziptron.
Phenomenal, isn't it? Ladies and gentlemen, you can now pre-book your Tigor EV online or at your nearest Tata Motors showroom. The Tigor EV goes on sale on 31st of August. On behalf of Tata Motors, I thank you all for your time today. Let's evolve to electric. As the EV market matures, the needs of the EV customer is changing rapidly. Over the past year, we have gathered good insights into the evolution of the preferences of the EV customers in India. At the early stage, our EV customers were largely early adapters, tech enthusiasts, environmentally conscious, well-traveled, and relatively open to experimentation. However, now we see that a lot of our customers are cross-shopping between normal internal combustion engines and EVs. This means that EVs are increasingly becoming acceptable and are a very possible purchase option for every customer looking for a passenger car. This is evident in the texture of leads that we get for the Nexon, where more than a quarter of our customers are interested in purchasing the Nexon EV. We can state with confidence that EVs are rapidly becoming mainstream. Looking deeper into the reasons to buy or consider to buy an EV, customers are looking not just at the lower cost of operations, but also at the latest technology, a superior, silent and enthusiastic drive, the best-in-class safety and an overall comfortable and refined experience. Attractive incentives being offered by central and state governments for EV adoption and the rapidly expanding EV infrastructure. The EV market in India can be referenced to the classical bell curve for technology. Every new technology evolves faster as more and more customers begin using it. The last few years belong to the early adapters of EV in India, but now it is the time for an early majority to move to EV. The EV market has reached an inflection point and we need to cater to diverse customer needs and democratize the EV market further with another accessible and contemporary EV product. It is time to evolve to electric.
We obviously wanted to go for an EV.
It was a very slick design.
Definitely attractive.
The look and feel was amazing. The interiors wowed me. The feature set was totally bowled me out. I was taken aback by the instant torque provided by the motor.
I never thought that it will be that powerful.
It can adjust to changing weather conditions pretty well.
The ground clearance is also quite high.
It has all the ingrained features of an SUV.
It just glides away in any kind of bumps.
So you have a very smooth driving experience.
Just imagine bringing the petrol pump at home.
So charging the car at home is extremely simple and very comfortable.
I charge once in 2 to 3 days.
Fast charging is very convenient.
In half an hour, the charge goes to over 60-70%.
The people on the road also find it surprising that the car is smoothly coming next to them. Yes.
It's far more than I imagined.
In fact, I felt it was much more luxurious than cars in few categories higher.
Thank you, customers.